Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is me Sanjay Pradhan. So today I am discussing about the new topic, that is the right of the arrested person that is include under BNS, defined section 47, section 48 and section 51 of the BNSS. So what are the main right of the arrested person? So whenever police officer arrested to the any person, this time the person has most important right. I know victim person has right. Similarly, has right of the arrested person, and similarly, our constitution provide right of the arrested person at section 20, article 20 and article 22, discussing about the right of the arrested person. Article 20 subsection subclause 3 and article 22 similarly. And so I will discussing about the right of the arrested person. So first one, right to know ground of the arrest. Whenever the police officer arrested to the any person and any private person arrested to the any person, police officer may arrest, and private person may be arrested to the any person. Similarly, magistrate arrested to the any person. So this time, what are the most important right of the arrested person? First, the right to know. It is a defined section 47 and subsection 1. Section 47 subsection 1 says that right to know ground of the arrest. Which ground purpose you arrest to me? Firstly, you tell me, because whenever any police officer arrested to the any person, this time violate of her fundamental right, and that is the right to life and personal liberty, which is the defined article 21. No person shall be deprived of a life and liberty, but except procedure established by law. Without procedure established by law, you cannot violate of my life. That is the right of the arrested person. Right to know must be right to know to the arrested person, and right to knowing to the arrested person. That's the right of the arrested person. Okay. Second point is the right to inform family members and other friends. Whenever the police officer arrested to the any person, this person are already arrested by the police, and the police member has duty her. He must be informed of her family member, of her friend. That is the duty of the police officer, and which is defined at section 48 subsection 1. And next point is the right to choice legal practitioner. Right to choice legal practitioner means the representative who represented to me in the courtroom. But I know about of the every person are not capable for representative of our in the courtroom. So this time coming legal representative, the arrested person has right to choose her own representative who represent to the courtroom. That is the right of the arrested person, which is given by the article 20. Article 20 subclause 1, the most important. It is the given by the article Indian Constitution. And next is the right to release bail. Right to release bail. Supreme Court says that bail is the rule, jail is the exceptional. So bail is the rule. If you see, if the arrested person arrested by the non-bailable offense, okay, non-bailable offense, but this and without notice arrest by the police officer. So after arrest, has a right of the arrested person for apply for apply for apply bail. And if the arrested person are not capable apply the bail, the police officer shall be apply for bail. That is the right of the arrested person. If after arrest, every person has right for apply the bail. That is the right of the arrested person. That is the right to release bail, and if is the possible, they can release from the bail for the security, the most important. Okay. And next is the right to medical examination, which is the gift by the section 51 of the BNSS. Right to choice medical examination, and right to medical examination after arrest. If the police officer, if the police officer, if the police officer do fair to the accused person, and voluntarily fair and voluntarily injury to the accused person, that is the most important. That is not a legal duty of the police officer. So this perspective and any reason perspective, if the accused person are injured by the any purpose, if the accused person injured by the offense, this time must be important medical examination. But if similarly if the injured by the police officer, so the duty of the police officer, for the examination, medical examination, and before submission of the court, that is the right of the medical. If the medical examination proof the police voluntarily injured to the accused person, the accused person can case file against the police officer. Okay, that, that is the right of the arrested person. And next point number F says that right to silence. Our fundamental right, our constitution says that right to speak. Similarly, says the right to silence. If you see Article 20, Article 20 subsection 3 says that I read this point, that is this, that says that no person accused of any offense shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. So it says that suppose police officer arrested to me, and the police after arrest police officer fairly to me, you you submission your statement purpose of the offense. It is a protect by the Indian Constitution. Article 20 subclause 3 completely says that I can't submission against to me. I can't, because my life. Any person cannot, any person, even a magistrate or police officer cannot pressurize to the accused person for her statement. If the voluntarily statement give to the police officer, that can maybe possible, but without it is not possible. Okay, that's the protect by the Indian Constitution is the defined Article 20 subclause 3. And next is the G, right to produce before the magistrate. Right to produce before the magistrate, which is the most important after arrest. What are the process? Right to produce before the magistrate. Okay, because her magistrate must be duty or perspective after arrest, for trial, for every process of the case, every court process is important, and police officer can't arrest within 24 hours. After 24 hours, but within 24 hours, police officer's duty must be produced before the court, before the magistrate. Okay, but excluding arrested time and traveling to the court from the jail, it is excluding, but within 24 hours must be produced before the court. That is the duty of the magistrate, duty of the police officer and right of the arrested person. If the police officer fail within 24 hours produced before the magistrate, the police officer shall be removed from the jail. Okay, because whenever any person arrested by the any individual agency, any police officer, any perspective, her personal rights and liberty violate, that is the relate to the Indian Constitution. Okay, that's the most important, and those grounds are related to the right of the arrested person. So arrested person has right, most of the right. Okay, for the purpose of the arrest. Okay, so thank you friend. If this video helped you, please do subscribe my channel and please like my channel and